You people, what are you doing? Mumechoma mpaka gari za Rigathi. What are you doing? Kwa nini Ruto unataka kuchoma nchi? Why are you tear gassing our mothers? Why are you tear gassing our sisters and brothers back at home? Simpigane na Rigathi huko. Why are you doing this to our parents? Why are you doing this to our parents? Na ichisho guisho shikoragwo Nyeri. Muthuri ucio ni muthuri kana ni mutumia wa mafoso. Kwa nini mnakuanga hivi shwali? Murahuthirwo kuhura aciari anyu niki? Why are you being used to fight your own parents? Polisi ambao mko huko, how do you feel when you are unleashing a tear gas inside the church? Kanisa unataka kama mnataka Rigathi simumuue kwake wa Munyoro, simnajua kwake. It's not like it is the first one you will kill. You have killed so many. Endeni muue huyo. Endeni mumuue kwake. Is it wrong that the Mount Kenyans have decided to leave you alone and to take him? Is he not our child? The same way we took you in is the same way we take him. And if you want to kill us all, kill us all. But don't tear gas our mothers. By the way, don't tear gas our mothers. May God protect them. I'm told mpaka wanashindwa kutoka kwa kanisa. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to take us back to where we were? That is what you want to take us? Badala mtu akuwe national, a symbol of national unity, unakuwa a symbol of national disunity. Na inyuge kuyukiregisha kikiuga gatutamka na gikoragwo guku UDA. Murore na muishirie muno. Muishirie muno. It is not even about Rigathi anymore. It is not even about Rigathi. It is about the right thing. Is this the right president? Is this the right man? Mtu anaitikia polisi wendo akapiga tia gas kanisa, yeye alipigwa Keno siku nyingine hapo na Uhuru, tukapiga kelele Kenya mzima. Karibu Uhuru afute Matiang'i because of how we felt about it. Never. Kuna vitu zingine haziwezi kuwa justified. They cannot be justified. You cannot justify tear gassing children and old women in a church. It cannot be justified. Your time is over. Mene take care. There is a writing in the wall. Kasongo, venye Mungu alikataa King Saul, hivyo ndio amekukataa. I swear. Wewe Huta, you will not be president again in 2028. 2027, 2028, you are not getting in. You are not. You pray to God so hard. Mwira kohere.